Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Welcome back, guys. So today we're here with a fave, Unice. So firstly in the box I'm seeing the goodie bag, so let's get into these goodies. I got a pair of HD wig caps. Alright, I got a branded elastic headband. I also got a set of press-ons. They're so gorgeous, shaped really nicely. Love that. So this is the wig that we have today. I did get some lace tape, so if you want to do that, use that for installation. But the wig that I have is a 7x5 HD lace closure wig. I'm showing you guys the inside. It is glueless and it is 14 inches long. It is so silky, so soft. Love everything as soon as I took it out of the package. I'm showing you guys the loops for the extra elastic band that is adjustable, that helps with security a lot. It does have adjustable straps in the back and one comb in the back as well. The lace is bleached, so that's great. I love that they pre-customized it this far, and it has great movement, very realistic, beautiful luster. The hairline is pre-plucked really nicely. It's a 10. It's given a 10. It's very much beginner friendly as well. So please, if you're interested in just checking out getting into wigs, this is definitely an option. It's summertime. It's perfect for the summertime because it's a bob. It's bob season. Come on. So I'm showing you guys how secure it is without doing anything, like moving further, doing anything. There's absolutely no product, completely glueless. Okay, I'm just cutting away the extra lace at the front. Pretty sure you can see there's a bit that doesn't have any hair or anything on it, so I love to cut that off to minimize the cast. And then after I'm done with that, then I go into further camouflage whichever cast is left over that hair might be on. I was feeling it right here, you can tell. But yeah, I just use my face powder right here to kind of cancel out any castiness, and it was so easy, girl. Don't be afraid to go ahead and get you one of these really nice glueless wigs and install it. Like, you really don't need the salon for this. You really don't need all that stressing to look cute. You could do it on your own. You do not need to be afraid. It's not time consuming at all. It's very straightforward. So I was showing you guys that you could pretty much part it anywhere within the lace because it is a good large lace area, and the lace looks so much like scalp. You see that? I had to get close. Yeah, it is a 10. So I did decide to keep the middle bust down parting vibe though, because I was feeling that, and I was just laying it now with some hair wax in the middle, just at the top there. I never take the wax too far down on the hair because I don't want it to weigh it down. But yes, I was just using my flat iron, my hot comb to get this really laid and flat, because you guys know we don't do bulky wigs, no ma'am. And it was amazing. After this, I pretty much just went through the entire wig with my flat iron, got it really nice and bone straight, and yeah.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else to do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, baby, on. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Make a wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
I was pretty much finished with flat ironing everything. It's gorgeous, so gorgeous. I had to let you guys see again that definitely no product was added. It's completely glueless. 10 out of 10 recommend. Movement is beautiful, as I said before. I love it. So with all that being said, I'll be sure to put the direct link to this wig down below in my description box. Go ahead, check it out. If you're interested in getting this bob for yourself for the summer or any other time, feel free. You might be a person that can't deal with all that hair. Go ahead, check out my description box down below. That's it for today's wig look. Shout out to Unice Hair once more for, you know, this beauty. And I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.